Y'all saw the title, you know what time it is. It's time to get ready with me, and this face is freaking flawless. Let's get into it.
I'm about handling my business. No time for stress over bullshit. You think success is an option? I'm trying to get this shit poppin' like woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me?
Today I have a full get ready with me video on this look right here. I'm also going to show you how I laid this gorgeous ombre wig from 𝐎𝐅 Hair. I want to thank them for sponsoring the wig tutorial portion of today's video for y'all. So this is one of 𝐎𝐅 Hair's big and thick lace frontal wigs. This wig has a 200% density, y'all, and it can get even bigger than this. And I'm loving this ombre color. It is super pretty. It goes from black to this nice chocolate brown color. And the length of this wig is 22 inches, y'all. And it is a curly texture. So all the details will be in the description box down below for you guys if you're interested in checking out this wig. I was really wanting to do a super pink look today. Everything is pink, including my nails and my outfit. I've just been loving pink lately. So if you would like to see more Get Ready With Me videos on my YouTube channel, definitely give this video a big thumbs up. Also, leave me a comment down below. That really helps. And if you would like to see how I got ready today, hair plus makeup style, y'all know what to do. Definitely keep watching.
East Coast always in me, Commonwealth, Lil Joe, getting love from my city. I roll call for the DMV. In my own lane, you could still ride with me.
Lord knows I made mistakes.
You won't in, but it's too late.
I don't need your support just to know I'm important.
I will never sell myself short, cause I know you see me on the come up. Big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm my alphabet. Even on my worst days, still an alphabet. Standing next to me, you gotta be an alphabet. 8 ball in your pocket, I'm your alphabet. Alphabet, baby.
Never really fit in, always felt like an alien.
I be in my own space of mind, making boss moves in my own time, and I
Got my own rise.
find me all alone. I'm on the road. I had to take a couple hits, a couple stones, but targets I don't ever miss. They wanna know.
It's like to be me.
Let me give you this game for free. Know you see me on the come up. Big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm my alphabet. Even on my worst days, still an alphabet. Standing next to me, you gotta be an alphabet. 8 ball in your pocket, I'm your alphabet. Yeah, alphabet, baby. Just pulled up to the house. Don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good. I put that on guard when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that. Jump on Mom and dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a good, put that on good. When it gets hard, I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go boom with that jump off my back. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, nigga catch a break. Better way. Oh, hey.
Get out the way. Who got a watch? Who got the time? I'm raising the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm trying to get these ends, building empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business. No time for stress over bullshit. You think success is an option? I'm trying to get this shit poppin' like woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait tight on our leg for it. Countdown for me.
12, 11, 10, 9.
Ain't that I'ma make you
Wait for it.
on my time. Yeah, I'ma make you
Pay for it.
on my time.
My time, my time, my time, my
Order,
time.
order in the court. Me first, you short. On my time, been off yours. Boss bitches to the floor. It's my time. You was for you, I was for us. You do the math, shit don't add up. Even on my worst day, down on my luck. I got the sauce, I'ma always come up. I tried it your way, that was a dub. I'm taking the wheel now, cause I trust me. I'ma go get these millions. Hoes still hoping and wishing. You always had me waiting, and I'm about fresh out of patience. This time we switching positions. Now you under my submission, like woo. My rules, big moves. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season, like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait tight on our leg for it. Countdown for me.
5, 4, 3, 2.
I want, I'ma make you
Wait for it. For it.
on my time. Yeah, I'ma make you
Pay for it.
on my time.
My time, my time, my time, my
Order,
time.
order in the court. Me first, you short. On my time, been off yours. Boss bitches to the floor. It's my time. Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know.
Time to pull the drop tops out.
Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah.
We've been keeping it in the house.
Netflix and chillin', I GDM'in', yeah.
Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed. I've been out of range, keeping it low, but I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so fair with it. You can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared for it. Instead of love out loud, since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight
don't post, but I want the world to know. I'm a good catch, but I never let him catch me. No, I never let him claim me. Wild thing try to tame me, but you got my mood on sunshine. Let's take a trip, souls on big smile. Let's get this lick, stars are in line. I'm posted, lay with me in the moonlight. I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so bear with it. We can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared for it. Instead of love out loud, since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, meet me. Time is right, so right. Our romance to be. Can't deny. I love the things we do. But tonight, baby, meet me outside. Outside. You said you want a bad one. Well, baby, I'm as bad as they come. Said you want a hot one. Yeah, you with the hottest under the sun. But be careful what you wish for. Make you eat your words. If I'm more than what you bargain for. Fun to flirt, but promise to deliver. Much is required. Cause look at what I'm giving you. You ain't really ready for real. You ain't even ready for real. You ain't really ready. Won't be faithful to someone ungrateful. I can't try to make you if you ain't you. You ain't really ready for real. You ain't even ready for real. You said you want a real one. Well, it don't get no realer than the realest one. Baby, can you handle it? If you really want it, better come get you some. But be careful what you wish for. Make you eat your words. If I'm more than what you bargained for. One dessert, but you ain't finished dinner. Much is required. Cause look at what I'm giving you. You ain't really ready for real. You ain't even ready for real. You ain't really ready. Won't be faithful to someone ungrateful. I can't try to make you if you ain't you. You ain't really ready for real. No, you'll never miss a good thing until it's gone. Oh, baby, you know you're wrong. Yeah, I know you're gonna own it right back. Say you changed, but baby, I know that's cap. I see reality, and the fact is you ain't really ready for real. You ain't even ready for real. You ain't really ready. Won't be faithful to someone ungrateful. I can't try to make you if you ain't you. You ain't really ready for real.
takers and givers. I've been called the latter, but am I really a giver? If I don't give to myself, don't take care of my health, care for everyone else, I usually give away my best. But get into this reset, get into this reset, get into this reset. Takers, givers, I've been called the latter. Get into this reset, yeah. I'ma adjust my clock like daylight savings, next era unlocked, and I ain't playing about me. You think I'm acting brand new, but this was me before you. Ain't nothing to start over, owe me on a new vibe. Bitch, you blowing my high, gotta recalibrate my sundial. Yeah, reset. Ain't nothing to start over, owe me on a new vibe. Bitch, you blowing my high, gotta recalibrate my sundial. Yeah, yeah. Reset. Recent past is feeling like a past life. Can't believe I saved your heart to break mine. You could see I shifted shape to fit yours. Can't forget I made the move to move on. PCH to the Potomac River. Take a break, recalibrate, forgive her. Trip the road from Stockton to Stockholm. Yeah. Peace and grace to travel safe through time zones. Adjust my clock like daylight savings, next era unlocked, and I ain't playing.
So here is the final look, y'all. Hair plus makeup. I hope that you enjoyed this get ready with me video. If you did, definitely don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I truly do appreciate all of your continued love and support. If you're interested in checking out this wig from RPG Hair, I'm gonna leave all the details in the description box down below for you guys, as well as any coupon codes that they provide me with.